welcome back to Fox 43 AM Live. Join us now are Matt Bretz with Bretz Injury Law and Nick Casarona with Mir Inc. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having us today.
Great to have you guys on the show. Matt, I want to start off. Introduce us to our guest here.
Well, as you said, this is Nick Casarona.
Yes.
He is the Director of Treatment Services at Mir, and I believe it's your first time here at KSNT.
It is. It is my first time here this morning.
Thank you for being here.
Absolutely.
Yes, fantastic. Yes, Nick, please tell us a little bit more about Mir and kind of its goals and services. What's happening
Absolutely.
here?
So Mir's been around since 1972. Our mission is to strengthen communities and people by helping individuals cultivate hope and redefine their lives. And so at Mir here in Topeka, we offer a wide range of services, everything from substance use treatment services, residential, outpatient services. We also have a robust reentry program for individuals that are coming out of federal incarceration, helping them get reconnected to the community, to jobs, to their families. And then we have an amazing program called Work for Success, which is a 4-week program that's like basically a personal and professional development program for individuals that are seeking case management and really connection to resources in the community to help rebuild their lives.
That's wonderful. So you said that was kind of the Topeka area. What about kind of the greater Kansas area?
So we are all over Kansas. We've got 4 treatment centers right now. We've got one in Shawnee, Topeka, obviously. We have one in Wichita and one in Newton, Kansas, and that's for our substance use. We have some outpatient satellite offices around the state. In the Newton area, we have an amazing prevention program called STAND that goes out into the schools and helps connect the youth on connection to, prevention, to hopefully avert them from entering into our treatment programs later on in life.
Wonderful. And can you speak on like the impact you've seen Mir have on the community?
It's amazing. In Topeka is where I'm based out of, so I see it all over. I see people in the community all the time. Everywhere I go, I hear, hey, thank you for Mir, changed my life. And one of the greatest things over the past years, we developed an alumni program where we've allowed individuals that have gone through the services and really built a solid life in recovery to come back and help mentor current clients.
Wonderful.
And so just seeing, this huge base of people, a group of people that want to come back and give back to the program that helped change their life, that's evidence in itself that it's working. But I would say, overall, just seeing individuals who come into treatment broken, they've given up all hope, a lot of them don't have any connection to the community, to see them really get connected to purpose again in life and get hope again that life can be different, and watch them go out and get reconnected with their families, get reconnected with employment, and become productive members of society.
That is fantastic. And what's the best way for people to reach out to Mir if they're in need of any service?
So they can call our local office at any time, 785-267-0561, and we can direct them to wherever, regardless where they're at in the state, we can get them connected to the right avenue to treatment.
I love that. Well, Nick, that is fantastic. And Matt, any final thoughts on kind of Mir's mission to strengthen people in the community?
Seeing what Mir does puts a smile on your face. It's not just helping the individual who needs treatment or is in treatment. It's helping families. It's helping parents get back with their children. It's putting the families back together. It's making, adding people who are contributing to society, to our community. It's helping employers. It's just such a great organization. I'm honored that United Way supports Mir. It's a United Way agency, and just what they do makes a real big difference. And largely it's behind the scenes. People don't see what's happening at Mir on a day-to-day basis. We may know the name, but we don't know what they do. But what an amazing organization, and you're instrumental.
I appreciate it.
It's fantastic. Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Matt, thank you for helping us share the stories of Mir, and Nick, thank you for telling us what's happening in this sport in the community like you guys are doing. It's fantastic.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Everyone, please, to learn more, go on, visit mirinc.org.